Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious mojito at home, step by step. First, let's gather our fresh ingredients. You'll need about 10 to 12 fresh mint leaves, 1 whole lime cut into wedges, and 2 teaspoons of granulated sugar. Don't forget your white rum, club soda, and plenty of ice. Begin by gently muddling the mint leaves and 2 lime wedges in a sturdy glass. This releases their wonderful aromas and juices without over-macerating the mint. Now that your mint and lime are muddled, it's time to add the sweetness and the spirit. Carefully add 2 teaspoons of granulated sugar directly into the glass with the muddled ingredients. Next, measure and pour 2 fluid ounces of your favorite white rum over the mixture. Give everything a good stir for about 15 to 20 seconds. This ensures the sugar dissolves completely, creating a perfectly balanced base for your refreshing drink. With the base ready, it's time to add the chill and the fizz. Fill your glass generously with crushed ice or regular ice cubes if you prefer. Then, slowly top off the mixture with about 4 to 5 fluid ounces of chilled club soda. Give it a very gentle stir, just enough to combine everything without losing too much of that wonderful carbonation. This step brings all the flavors together, making it wonderfully refreshing. Your homemade mojito is almost ready. For the perfect finishing touch, gently clap a fresh mint sprig between your hands to release its aroma, then place it into the glass. You can also add an extra lime wedge to the rim for a beautiful presentation. Serve your refreshing mojito immediately and savor the vibrant flavors you've created. It's a fantastic drink for any occasion, so enjoy your delicious, handcrafted cocktail.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.